Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, leather seats, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steel wheels, child safety locks, power steering, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats, wipers, variable speed intermittent, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.